Cosmic secrets revealed. Beyond time, beyond space, beyond imagination.
From a distance, the universe might look random, just a scattering of galaxies floating aimlessly in an endless sea of darkness. But that's just a trick of perspective. What if I told you that if you could zoom out far enough, you'd see a breathtaking hidden pattern? A secret network that connects everything, a cosmic architecture that gives the universe its true shape. This is the story of the cosmic web. So, what exactly is the cosmic web? Imagine the largest structure in the entire universe, not a star, not a galaxy, but a vast, intricate network of filaments. These filaments are made of galaxies, dark matter, and gas, and they stretch across billions and billions of light years. This isn't just a metaphor. It's the real, underlying framework of the cosmos. Think of it like a gigantic, three-dimensional spider's web, with strands of galaxies stretching between massive clusters. These threads and junctions form a glowing lattice that fills all of space, separating enormous empty regions known as voids. This web is the scaffolding upon which the universe is built, and it dictates where galaxies are born, how they live, and where they travel. It's the grand design, hidden in plain sight. The discovery of this monumental structure wasn't a single eureka moment, but a slow, dawning realization that came from decades of painstaking work. It all started when astronomers began the immense task of mapping the positions of millions of galaxies. They used powerful telescopes to look deep into space and plot each galaxy's location, creating the largest maps ever conceived by humanity. As the data poured in, a stunning picture began to emerge. The galaxies weren't spread out evenly, like butter on toast. Instead, they clumped together in specific organized patterns. They formed immense, thread-like structures and gathered at dense intersections, or nodes. And separating these glowing filaments were vast, almost completely empty expanses. It was like connecting the dots on a cosmic scale, and the image that appeared was the cosmic web, a structure so vast it defies imagination, revealing that the universe has an order we were never meant to see. Now here's the part that really bends your mind. Most of the cosmic web is completely invisible. The part we can see, the luminous galaxies, the shining stars, the planets, and all the normal matter that we know and understand, makes up only about 5% of its total mass, a tiny fraction. The rest, the overwhelming 95%, is made of two mysterious components, dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is the invisible stuff that provides the gravitational scaffolding. It's the skeleton of the cosmic web, holding the galaxies together in these long filaments. Dark energy, on the other hand, is the mysterious force that's causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate, pulling the web apart over cosmic timescales. So, what we see is just the glitter on a much larger, unseen structure. The visible universe is just riding along the invisible currents of the cosmic web, shaped and guided by forces we are only just beginning to comprehend. Let's zoom in on the glowing parts of this web, the filaments and nodes. The filaments are truly cosmic highways. They are enormous chains made up of thousands of individual galaxies, all bound together by immense streams of intergalactic gas and, of course, the gravitational pull of dark matter. These filaments act like channels, funneling gas and galaxies towards even denser regions. And where do these cosmic rivers lead? They lead to the nodes. Where filaments intersect, they create galaxy clusters. These are the bustling cosmic cities of the universe, dazzling collections of thousands of galaxies, all gravitationally bound together in a relatively small space, glowing with the light of trillions of stars. These clusters are the most massive, most gravitationally dominant structures in the cosmos. They are the beating hearts of the universe, places of intense activity where galaxies collide, merge, and trigger furious bursts of star formation. Now, what about the spaces in between? Between the bright galaxy-rich filaments lie the cosmic voids. These are the quietest, most desolate places in the universe. Imagine enormous, almost spherical regions of space, stretching for hundreds of millions of light years that are nearly devoid of any matter. They are the great silent deserts of the cosmos. While the filaments are packed with thousands of galaxies, a void of the same size might contain only a handful. These voids aren't truly empty. They still contain a faint whisper of dark matter and dark energy, but they are incredibly underdense compared to the rest of the universe. They represent the vast emptiness that makes the structure of the cosmic web so apparent. It's the stark contrast between the crowded, bright filaments and the dark, lonely voids that truly defines the magnificent architecture of our cosmos. And this incredible structure isn't static. It's not a frozen sculpture. The cosmic web is a dynamic, living system that is constantly evolving. It's alive. Galaxies aren't fixed in place. They are in constant motion. They flow along the filaments like cars on a superhighway, drawn by gravity toward the massive clusters at the intersections. Along the way, they can merge with other galaxies, growing larger and more massive over time. The gas that flows along these filaments provides the raw fuel for star formation within those galaxies. Over billions of years, this entire structure slowly changes. The filaments get denser, the clusters grow bigger, and the voids become even emptier. The cosmic web isn't just a snapshot of the universe today. It's a movie of its entire history and a prophecy of its future. The cosmic web reveals a profound truth about our existence. It shows us that everything, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy cluster, from our own planet to the most distant quasar, is part of a single, vast, interconnected system. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring reminder that the universe isn't just a chaotic jumble of objects. There is a grand, underlying order, a cosmic design that has been hiding in plain sight all along. We are not just living in the universe. We are living within a structure. We are a part of the web. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the cosmos. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe. We'll see you in the next one.